Hey guys, I'm here at a hotel, and you know that dads don't snore, but guess what?
And Ian with maybe I think he's 9 years old. I put together him on a thing, and when you came in the house, I see all my grandkids in there. And that's when they graduate, those three, and those three that have a picture right here. Nana is in here.
Well, thank you for
Dave
watching
and
the
Rudy
video,
and
and good
family
night.
on this side. That one in the behind, and the Nana is, the picture.